See how gorgeous they are. Actually, you can eat this rabbit, you know. And also the porcupine. Islam said Muslim can eat rabbit and porcupine. See, this kid, they are so happy with the rabbits here. So, you know, when this is what kind of fruits here we have? Is this? This one. I just forgot what kind of fruits here. Not persimmon. This is passion fruits. Yeah, passion fruits.
Passion fruit.
Yeah, passion fruit. This one. I think this is passion fruit. Yeah. Wow, so gorgeous. Must bring the kids here. They're having so much fun. Like this one.